From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Let's take a look at some weather headlines. There was some rain yesterday and early this morning after a little bit of no rain. We'll take a look at where the rain was this morning and how much it had an effect on the drought and signs of fall. Our temperatures are now starting to drop closer and closer to the seasonal average for this time of year. We'll take a look at our temperature outlook for the next couple of days, and the low temperatures are starting to dip down below freezing, which is giving way to the possibility of some frost. Again, we'll take a look at that in just a moment. But here is the drought monitor. We're still at a 1 out of 5 here in State College, but keep in mind that this gets updated every day on Thursday, so we'll know how much of an impact the rain yesterday and this morning had come time tomorrow. And if we take a look across the Commonwealth, we notice places are not getting much worse, but they're also not getting much better. We can see that 4 out of 5 that we've been looking at south of Pittsburgh for quite some time now has not really grown in size, but it has not shrunk either. But again, we'll see how much of an effect the rain yesterday had on the drought. And you can see the timing of that rain was early this morning, and then it pushed off out to our east around noontime here. So if you were out early this morning, you might have felt a few sprinkles, a few raindrops, but nothing close to a downpour, and it's dry for the rest of the day today. And actually, how does the end of today and tomorrow shape up? Well, one word: nice and dry. Well, actually, that was 3 words, but you get the idea. You can see here there isn't even a cloud really in the sky from now until noontime, so it's going to be a nice sunny day. But if we take a look at the temperature trend for tomorrow, we are looking at temperatures below average here. Not even 60 degrees on Thursday, which would be several degrees below average for this time of year, which is around 62 to 63 degrees. And we're going to hit average on Friday before we warm back up on Saturday, but then the temperatures start to back off for the start of next week. And we can see that trend reflected on the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Compare this to where we were looking at a month ago, where we were in the brighter colors. We were looking at temperatures several degrees, even as close to 10 degrees above average, but now we're looking at just a few degrees above average for the next 6 to 10 days, a huge difference from where we were a month ago. And now your forecast for tonight: 39 degrees. We're dipping down into the 30s for tonight, and it's nice and clear, which means all the heat from today will escape out into space, cooling us down even further. And your forecast for tomorrow: a little bit cooler, a little bit lower and below average, 59 degrees and sunny here in State College. And a look at your 7-day forecast. You can see we're sunny to end off the week. We're going to warm back up on Saturday, but those clouds move back in. And Sunday is going to bring a chance for showers here, mid-60s, and those showers will wrap up Monday morning. We're looking at mid-60s on Monday, and come Tuesday we're going to warm back up into the 70s, and we're going to be partly cloudy through the middle of next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your Wednesday.